Further discussion is on a specific plant of family Acanthaceae, and the specific plant taken for discussion is Peristrophe paniculata. Its common name is Atrilal, commonly known as Atrilal. In Hindi it is called as Kakajangha plant. Okay. It is the member of family Acanthaceae and it is a erect herb perennial plant from which essential oil is obtained, and it is a wild plant, occurs in tropical region, and it is mostly distributed in the dry localities of India. The stem it is a branched stem. It is quadrangular, 4-angled stem and very hard, and branches are hairy. The plant consists of taproot system. The root system is branched and it is taproot system. This in photograph we have shown the stem, the nodes and internodes are there. Entire stem is covered with hairy trichomes and the stem is angular. It is 4-angled, hence it is quadrangular stem, and it is the upper part of stem in the photograph, so it is green, and it is a solid stem. Next, this is the leaf of Peristrophe paniculata. The leaf is simple because it has only a petiole and lamina. When the petiole and lamina is present in the leaf, such leaf is described as simple leaf. The shape of the leaf is ovate. The color of leaf is green and it has a petiole. It has a stalk-like structure to the leaf. Hence, in taxonomic language, the leaf is described as petiolate leaf. And the arrangement of the leaf is opposite, equal and unequal. How is the margin? Margin of the leaf is entire, but the entire margin is thickly populated with hair-like trichomes, hairy trichomes. Okay. Base of the leaf is rounded as shown in the photograph. Acute apex is there. Apex of the leaf is acute, that is pointed, and at the base of the leaf there is no stipule. If stipule is absent in the leaf, what is stipule? It is a small leafy structure. When it occurs at the base of the leaf, it is called stipulate leaf. But in Peristrophe paniculata, stipule is absent. Such leaf, in this condition, the leaf is described as ex-stipulate leaf because stipule is absent. Ex-stipulate. The texture of leaf is hairy. Venation is reticulate. Reticulate venation occurs in dicot plants. Okay, next. This is the decussate, opposite decussate arrangement of leaves. Phyllotaxy is opposite decussate. What is phyllotaxy? Arrangement of the leaves. Okay. Next. This is the panicle type of inflorescence which occurs in Peristrophe paniculata. Next, this is the flower of Peristrophe paniculata, and this flower is bracteate flower because at the base of the flower bract is present. Okay, and it is a pedicellate flower because stalk of the flower is known as pedicel. When the stalk is present in the flower, that flower is described as pedicellate flower. The pedicel is hairy, trichomes are present. Even on the calyx lobe, trichomes are there. It is hairy, and this flower is zygomorphic. It is asymmetrical flower. Asymmetrical flower is described as zygomorphic flower. It is bisexual flower because androecium as well as gynoecium both are present in the flower. Hence it is bisexual, or it is also described as hermaphrodite flower. And ovary is superior because all the floral units, they are originated from the base of the ovary, so that the ovary is superior. Color of the flower of Peristrophe paniculata is pink color. Next, this is the calyx of Peristrophe paniculata family Acanthaceae. Calyx consists of sepals. Number of sepals present in calyx present in the flower of Peristrophe paniculata, that is calyx, are 5 in number. See the photograph of calyx lobes. The sepals, calyx lobes or sepals, they are lanceolate in shape, lance shaped, and they are unequal in number, unequal in size. Size is variable, and there are 5 calyx lobes. They are free, all are free, green in color. If the calyx lobes or sepals are free, in taxonomy that is described as polysepalous condition. Okay, and estivation is imbricate. Next, this is the corolla. Corolla consists of number of petals. There are 2 petals and form of corolla is bilipped. Bilipped corolla present in the Peristrophe paniculata family Acanthaceae. Color of the corolla lobes, that is petals, there are, that is pink color. And how many orals are there? Petals are arranged in a one oral, orals are 1, petals are free, therefore it is polypetalous, estivation is imbricate. Okay, next. This is the bilabiate form of corolla. Bilabiate form of corolla, a meaning of bilabiate is two-lipped. Okay, this type of corolla does not divide in 2 equal parts, hence the flower is described as zygomorphic. The bilabiate forms of corolla is zygomorphic. The reason to call it as bilabiate form of corolla is that it consists of 2 leaves. The upper lip is bilobed and the lower lip is trilobed lip. The upper region, the apex of petal, it has 3 lobes and another petal has 2 lobes. Okay, next. The androecium. Androecium, it is the male part of the flower. It consists of stamens. How many stamens are present in the Peristrophe paniculata family Acanthaceae? There are 2 stamens are there. These stamens are exserted and stamens are somewhat petaloid, pink in color. Staminodes are absent in this Peristrophe paniculata family Acanthaceae. Staminodes are absent. See the filaments. What is filament? Stalk of the stamen, that is filament. Filaments are long, filaments are distinct, and filaments are hairy. Okay. Anther lobe. How is the anther lobe? Anther lobes are unequal and spurred, and anther theca is ovoid. Attachment of the anther, the filament is attached at the basal region of the anther, hence that is described as, attachment is described as basifixed attachment occurs in Peristrophe paniculata family Acanthaceae. The anthers are dithecous, 2-celled. Extrodes or introdes? Introdes type of anthers occur in Peristrophe paniculata. Dehiscence is longitudinal and poricidal or poricidal. Okay, next. This is the female part of the flower, that is flower of Peristrophe paniculata family Acanthaceae. Style is very thin and it is long. Stigma is in continuation and ovary is superior. In the ovary there are only 2 carpels are present, hence the ovary is described as bicarpellary ovary. Carpels are united, hence it is described as syncarpous ovary in taxonomy. Okay, placentation. How is the placentation? How is the attachment of the ovules in the ovary? Attachment of ovules in the ovary wall. How is the attachment? Attachment of the ovule, that is placentation. Placentation in Peristrophe paniculata family Acanthaceae is axile. Okay, axile placentation is there. And this is the fruit. Which type of fruit occurs in Peristophe paniculata? That is a capsule type of fruit. It is four seeded. Four seeds are present. Four seeded capsule is present. This capsule type of fruit occurs in Peristophe paniculata, family Acanthaceae. Next. Thank you very much. Save trees, save earth.